Welcome back Trading Tribe soldiers. In this video, I will be revealing to you a strategy that really boosted my winning rate, so large that I went on to make more than $100,000. The first month I discovered it, I started winning more after I discovered this easy strategy. Trading is so easy that you don't have to stress yourself too much to become a profitable trader. A little piece of knowledge can change your entire trading career, your perspective, and your trading account. In this video, I will be opening your eyes to those things that I did that graciously increased my win rate to making my first $100,000 a month in Forex trading. If you are not a Forex trader, don't panic. This strategy works in crypto trading, stock trading, and anywhere that you can have access to a clean candlestick chart. Now let's get to it. This strategy will be based on trading the key levels in market, and our strategy solely relies on the strategic momentum loss that the market is always trying to show us through candlestick sizes and forms, giving us a very strong price action technique to leverage on when trading key levels. This is our first example. Now, first of all, the most important part is identifying the key level. So here we have a point where price hit it and moved the market up, a support level where we can expect price to return to and move the price higher. Now here is a key point that you must understand in order to gain high probability entries on these key levels. You want to see the candlesticks getting smaller and smaller as they approach the key levels of support or resistance. This is very crucial because it signals that the market is losing momentum as it approaches the key level area, which will then reverse the movement with ease. The smaller the candlesticks are becoming as they approach the key levels, the easier it will be for price to reverse the movement when it touches the key level. Very important, you want price to be losing momentum slowly and therefore slowing down as it approaches key levels. As you look well into the chart, you can notice how these candles are behaving as they approach this key level of support. So here we have a big candle, and then price got rejected, and from there it moved a little bit high, still maintaining low momentum candles. Now look at when it began dropping again to the entry level. See as the candles are small and losing momentum as they are approaching the key level. Then all of a sudden a big momentum candle appeared here, moving the price up. The key is in the loss of momentum that price revealed by the candlesticks, which were getting weaker and weaker as they approached the key level. Let me show you another example. There are many informations on this chart, and I will be explaining them one by one. So here price moved up with momentum, giving us a key level of support, and when it got to this point, the momentum expired, and it started returning to the key level again to take orders from this momentum move. As it goes down, see how it is losing momentum steadily. So here we have a big candle, followed by a smaller candle, and then another small candle, and here is another small candle formed. And when the price finally touched the key level, it experienced a long wick candle, rejecting support. And finally a bullish candle, which then moved the price up bullishly. And that will be a great trading opportunity for a trader who masters this strategy when the candlesticks are approaching the support key level. What the smaller and smaller candle shows is that the sellers are losing power. And it shows that, at that point, there are many smart sellers taking profits, as they can see already that they could be a price reversal from that point, therefore making the candles smaller and giving more power to the buyers to push price up from that key level. Now on the contrary, if you look to the other side of the chart, you will see something different. This is actually a key level that was not successful to move the price up. Let me show you a broader view of this chart. So here you can see that we actually had a key level here, but it was not able to push the price up because of the way the candlesticks approached that key level. If you look at this spot, you can see that candlesticks were getting bigger as they approached the key entry zone, instead of getting smaller. And because of this, it was only able to move the market up a little and then retraces down again. The aggressive selling candles signals that the sellers are still in control of the market, and therefore there is no way the buyers can take control and reverse the market to their target direction. Same thing happened here, though the entry did not even touch the key level, so it will be ignored. And even though it touches the key level, we will still not take it, because the market was approaching the key level with bigger candles. Now compare this movement and see the difference in price movement. See how the market respected the key level with smaller candle approach and pushed the price high, and then did the opposite when bigger candles approached this other support key level. That is the power of momentum if well understood, and here is another example for you. Before we continue, meet our sponsor, VMONEY Swifts. VMONEY Swift helps you to exchange your SKRILL, NETELLER and perfect money to USDT and BTC. Chat them up on WhatsApp using the number on your screen right now. They provide a very fast transaction with a great customer care service. Highly recommended by the trading chief. Okay, let's go back to the video. You can see that a double bottom formed at this level before price rised up, making it a key level of support for price to return to. Now as price approaches this level of support again, look at how the candles started acting. So here we have a big candle, followed by a smaller candle, and another smaller candle here, then another small candle, and then this last candle that was completely engulfed by the bullish candle before rising up, which is also another trading opportunity. Now let's look at bearish trades to see if we will see something different about key levels on it. So here you can see that we have a key level, which is drawn from to resistance line, making it a key resistance level, and these two levels couldn't push the market down. But see what happened here before the market fell aggressively, as the market was approaching the key level again. You can see the loss of momentum as the candles draw near. So here we have a big candle, followed by a smaller weak candle, then another weak candle and another small candle, then another small candle, until the market finally touched the key level. And as you can see, price fell drastically from that point, and that would have been a great selling trade to give you grand profits. Oh my god, I am loving this. Let's see another bearish example. Now, here we have another key resistance area, two crucial points of resistance, making it even stronger. And then look what the market is doing at this spot. Now if you have noticed, each time we have two areas of support or resistance like this one. One thing always prevent the former prices from making huge impact. Here you can see the market moving up to the resistance zone with big candles, which did not allow the market to make a bigger impact like this one you can see here. Now on the contrary, we have a beautiful price move here. You can see how price moved from this long candle here, and from there candles kept getting smaller and smaller, and losing momentum steadily, becoming so weak that when the price started reversing, it really fell aggressively. See this very long candle? Meaning that, all this while that the candles were getting smaller and smaller, it was all a sign that the buyers are losing strength to keep moving the market up. And when the sellers finally got hold of the market, they made a wonder, as though they have been waiting for that moment for a long time, just like when adults or children are doing a rope pull competition. If the other side have grown to weak, and as the competition continues, they even got more weaker, the other side will pull them with so much force, as though the other groups did not even have any atom of strength in them. That is the same thing that always happen on the chart. The market is a perpetual battle between the buyers and sellers, and it doesn't matter who is winning more at a point. It will only take time, and as time goes on, the other group will gain strength and rebound to take over the market again. Your goal is to know the side that is weak. Now let me show you two quick examples of where the market did not respect this strategy on what happened after. This market was moving in an uptrend, and right here it gave a lower low and a higher high, and here the market was supposed to touch this support level and continue moving the trend up. But no, it did the complete opposite. It broke through the support as though it had some beef with the support line, giving it no chance at all for a consideration of a trade. that move would be a big loss to those traders that loves using buy limits on their support and resistance level. And all this happened because the candles moved to the support line with so much force, which was to tell that the sellers are not joking at all and are giving no chance to the buyers to keep moving the price up again. Let's see this final example where the market also transgressed our strategy. So here you can see our key resistance level, which we drew from this double top. And as we wait for price to return to the line, the price was moving with small candles, but it took a sudden turn, moved lower and returned with this huge candle, breaking the resistance and moving the price higher. In conclusion, if you want to start winning more in your trading journey, you must master this entry strategy. Always make sure that the price is respecting the key level, approaching it by losing momentum with smaller and smaller candles all the time. I know that in trading, losses are part of the game, and they are inevitable, but there are many losses that can be avoided just by doing these things which I have shown you in this video. You don't want to trade like this one, always taking your stop loss out and giving you hard times of mental stress. My major goal on this channel is to help you reduce your losses and help you to win more in your trading account so that you can represent me in the real world. And if you noticed, I talked a lot about support and resistance in this video, which is one tool you really can't do without in trading. If you want to improve on the way you use support and resistance and learn the best support and resistance strategy that will scale you up quickly and increase your winning trades, I made a full trading course on support and resistance in 57 minutes, packed with every single thing you must know about support and resistance in order to master it. Go check it out. And don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is the Trading Chief, and it's a wrap for this video. See you in the next one.